The Galaxy S23 Ultra will get significant display enhancements, including the brightest display among smartphones, beating out the iPhone 14 for Max. According to a tweet, the Galaxy S23 Ultra, Samsung's flagship model for 2023, will have a maximum brightness of 2150 nits, up from 1750 nits on the S22 Ultra. The statistics may alter at launch, however Samsung may increase the maximum brightness to 2200 nits or more, with a minimum peak brightness of 2100 nits. In any case, this would make the Galaxy S23 Ultra the smartphone with the brightest screen in the world, surpassing the peak 2000 nits brightness of the iPhone 14 Pro Max, which can be viewed in outdoor light. If Samsung succeeds to meet any of these targets, the Galaxy S23 Ultra might be the world's first phone with an LTPO 3.0 AMOLED display. It is a move in the right way for Android devices. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will not just have a brighter screen. Another report indicates that the upcoming Samsung phone will be equipped with a next-level fingerprint scanner. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will sport Qualcomm's third-generation ultrasonic fingerprint reader, which means it will have the newest Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max fingerprint sensor. As the world's largest and most sophisticated fingerprint scanner, this next-generation scanner boasts a 17 times bigger footprint than Samsung's existing in-display fingerprint reader. It can even scan 2 fingerprints at once for enhanced protection. It really has 5 times the precision of the 3D Sonic's Gen 2. The Qualcomm 3D Sonic Max has a surface area of 600 mm, which is almost 10 times larger than the 3D Sonic Gen 2 scanner used in the Galaxy S22 Ultra. With the iPhone 14 series, Apple added a new emergency SOS through satellite communications, similar to the company crash detection. It's not a common function, but you'll be glad to have it when you need it, enabling you to send SOS messages in various places without a cellular service in an emergency. With the Galaxy S23 series, Samsung seems to be adding the option to call emergency services through satellite. According to the South Korean side, Samsung will collaborate with Iridium Communications and its 66 low-orbit satellites to give a comparable lost hope contact function in an emergency. As with the iPhone 14s, utilizing satellite communications will not let you to connect to your normal network, and Apple only permits emergency text messages and location sharing through SOS. Samsung's deployment will allegedly be restricted to SMS and low-resolution picture sharing, which might assist locate your precise position by uploading photographs of any recognizable landmarks you can see nearby. So, with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here please subscribe. Peace out.